Metal Slug!
If you've ever played Metal Slug, you definitely remember those awesome tank designs, chunky bodies, short cannons, and those crazy tracks. But what if those tanks were designed in 2085 with a bit of retro flavor? Yep, this is what we are building today. And look who's here! Our trusty engineer. He brought me a garage blueprint and told me to set it up so he could start working. So I built it for him. As always, I kicked things off with basic shapes. Metal Slug tanks are way more vertical than real tanks, and they usually come in two main sections, just like this. Here's where I place the main gun and those armored skirts. For inspiration, I grabbed some ideas from Tron Uprising. That should completely change the way futuristic machines look. I'm giving our tracks a curvier shape. And yes, those front cylinders are staying. Of course, we need vents. They are not just functional, they make the tank way cooler. And hey, if you're enjoying this mix of storytelling and concept design tips, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us make more videos like this. Alright, back to work. The engineer is bringing in parts, and we need to do some cleanup. Let's throw on those side shoulder cannons. Our main gun, just like an old school car antenna, it folds in and out. While I'm cleaning and redrawing the outlines, I'm also dropping in some cast shadows to make the shapes pop and give it a comic book vibe. Time for materials. We thought brushed metal like Robocop would fit our retro-futuristic concept. I'm using a simple round brush with some transparency to get that soft watercolor effect. And to give it that vintage printed look, I'm adding a color halftone filter. You can find it in Photoshop under Filter, then Pixelate. Now we are down to details and finishing touches. And we can forget the neons. If you want to see more retro-futuristic design, hover cars, Sega Genesis style characters and more, check out our other videos on the channel. That's it for today. See you in the next one.